Hi and welcome to this channel. In this video we're going to look at an interesting tool which is called tmux. To give you more context, tmux is a command line tool which is used for situations when, for example, you want to launch a script in your terminal that takes a large period of time to be executed, and then you don't want to keep your terminal open, or for example if it's about using a cloud instance, you want to quit your cloud instance and to be able to run your process in the background on that instance. So this is where the tmux is used. Tmux allows you to run processes in the background and then be able to view all of the logs that were saved after that process. To better understand the command, let's look at an example that I prepared for this video. So here we have the train model script that basically simulates the training of a machine learning model. Here you can see I've just created a bunch of logs, and I've also prepared this file sli.md, which we'll use to make a reference to certain commands of tmux. So first of all, let's open the terminal. And if you don't have the tmux tool installed on your laptop, you should do it with one of these commands depending on your system. And then we are going to start a new session. So each session in tmux must have a name. In my case, it will be the train. Great, so right now we're inside tmux. And for this project, since I'm using Python, I need to activate my virtual environment. A useful command that we can run is to specify the tmux where we want the logs to be saved from the next processes that we'll run. But before it, I'm going to create the logs directory, because here I specify the path in the logs directory, and then I'm going to execute this command. Great, so now we can launch the train model script. So here we can see the output that we get in the terminal, which is completely normal. But now let's imagine that I would like to quit the terminal, and the safe way to quit the terminal in tmux is to use this combination of commands. So first of all, I have to press Ctrl B, and then I have to press the D key. I will be able to quit tmux terminal while still having my process running in the background. So let's do this. So I did exactly that. Now we can confirm that we have the session train running on our PC. I can reattach to my session again, and for that I have to specify the name of my session, and we can see that our process is running successfully. And now, as I told you, I have also specified that I want my logs to be saved into this file. So here I can look at them, and you can see that all the logs are saved successfully. And basically you have to wait until the end of this script in order to be able to look at all of the logs. And once the script terminates, you will still have the tmux session opened. And in order to completely close it, you need to run the kill command, where you can specify the name of your session. So in my case, if I'm going to run this command, so let me press Ctrl B and D. So I'm going to specify this command, and if I'm going to type tmux ls, we can see that right now there is no server running inside the train session, which is exactly what we wanted. So here that was the overview of the tmux command, which is a very useful tool, and I use it a lot when I train machine learning models in the cloud. Thank you for watching this video until the end, and have an excellent day. Bye.